Hello friends, thank you for subscribing to our channel. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಓದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೆಂದರೆ ಅದುವೇ ವೆಬ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತಿಳಿಸಲು. First one, HP Pavilion. HP Pavilion is one of the best ultrabook in the market. Also, it comes with 14-inch full HD and with a resolution of 1080 pixel. Mainly to focus on, it comes with a fingerprint scanner and it also comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. Also, it has Intel Iris Xe graphics for smooth performance. Second one, MI Notebook Ultra. So this is one of the best laptop in the market. Also, this laptop is powered by 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. And it comes with 15.6 full HD display with a resolution of 1600. This laptop also comes with 8GB RAM and 512 SSD storage. This laptop also has Intel Iris Xe graphics for smooth performance. Third one, MSI GF63. So this laptop is one of the best in the market. Also, this has an average battery life of 10 hours to 11 hours. So it comes with 14-inch full HD display with a resolution of 1080 pixel. This laptop comes with a fingerprint scanner also. This is powered by 2.1 GHz octa-core processor. It also comes with 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. This also has Intel Iris Xe for smooth performance. Fourth one, Acer Aspire 7. This gives an average battery life of 6 to 7 hours. This laptop also comes with 15.6-inch full HD display with a resolution of 1080 pixels. This laptop is powered by 2.4 GHz octa-core processor. Also, it comes with 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. It runs on Windows 10 64-bit operating system. It has NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics for smooth performance. Next we have HP EliteBook. So HP EliteBook comes with 14-inch full HD display with a resolution of 1080 pixel. It also comes with 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. So reasons to buy this laptop is epic battery life, attractive and slim design, good 1080 pixel display, fast CPU performance. Next is Macbook AIR. So Macbook AIR comes with 8GB RAM and 256 or 512 SSD storage. Also, this has a battery life up to 11 hours and this is portable, lightweight, reasonably priced and comfortable keyboard. Dell Inspiration 15. So this comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. Also, this has a battery life up to 10 hours. You can work on project file without having to worry about the storage. As for the screen quality, this laptop for web design has 15.6-inch full HD screen display. ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬಗೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.